If your Hyundai came with a key fob, you probably love it. No more fumbling around with metal keys to open or start your car. But if you knew everything your fob was capable of, you'd love it even more. Here are a few Hyundai key fob tricks you might not know. This first one's pretty common knowledge, but let's go over it just in case. It turns out there's a little metal key inside your key fob that you can use to physically open your car in case your key fob battery or car battery dies. Look for a small button on the front or back of the fob. Press down on the button while pulling on your keyring to access the mechanical key inside. The keyhole on your car door may be obvious if you have an older model, but if you have a newer one, check your driver's side door for a cap. If you lift up this cap, you'll find the hole where you can insert the physical key. Your push button start probably won't work if it's your car battery that's having issues, but if your key fob turns out to be dead, don't panic. You can still start your Hyundai even with a dead fob. If your Hyundai is newer, just hold the back of the fob right up to the start button and then push it. This might be all your car needs to get started. But if you have an older model, you'll likely need to insert the entire key fob into a slot on the dashboard. Look around for an unused slot where your key fob might fit, and you can reference your owner's manual if you can't seem to find it on your own. With any luck, your car should start right up. Next up is probably the best kept Hyundai key fob secret: rolling down your windows. You can cool off your Hyundai on a hot summer day by rolling down the windows remotely. This won't work on all Hyundai models, but if you can, try clicking your unlock button 3 times to roll down the windows. If that doesn't work, try holding down the unlock button for several seconds at a time. Last up is a tip that might help if you're a new driver or don't have that much experience with cars. If you've ever forgotten where you parked in a large parking lot or parking garage, you can always press the panic button on your key fob to have your car make a noise that will help you locate it. For more car-related tips and tricks and to save money on your car insurance, download the Jerry app or go to getjerry.com.